1509, going over to Honolulu. Hey, they designated this as a Medivac. Do you know what for?
And I'm sorry, 1509, can you repeat?
They had us designated as a Medivac Flight, and I'm trying to figure out what is facilitating that.
Let me follow up. Give me 2 minutes. Stand by with me on the radio, and I'll circle back with you, sir. Stand by.
Operations 2692. Yeah, we're waiting for 2 passengers connecting. They made it on, but we're hearing that there may have been a bag that they checked in that did not make it. Are we waiting for that bag, or are we just going to go? Okay, thanks.
And United 1509, copy from operations?
Yeah, go ahead.
And 1509, I just got off there with the load planner. Looks like pit number 3, item number 2, 57 pounds. It's a hazmat. That may be the reason why your flight's listed as a medical evac to Honolulu.
Part of our dangerous goods stuff?
Yeah, the load planner was advising that might be why it's listed. I couldn't get any other information.
Okay.
And United 1509 Honolulu, copy from up?
Go ahead.
And 1509, I just got off the phone with the OM, and I was advised to go ahead and give the dispatcher a call, and why your aircraft was called a Medivac had something to do with ATC, and he was giving a lengthy explanation to make sure that you guys can make it out to Honolulu with something on board. But reach out to dispatch for confirmation, but you are a Medivac flight to Honolulu.
Yeah, I'm aware of that. I'm just trying to figure out why we are, and I just sent a message to the dispatch myself to figure out what.
All right, copy you, sir. All right, copy you. Thank you, sir.
Ops, see fuel for 1482 at Delta 9. For 1482? Okay, yeah, we just need some jet fuel. We're about a half hour away from push.
Calling San Francisco. San Francisco.
Maintenance ship 2882.
Go ahead.
Hey, over at Gulf 3, the flight attendants report a loose panel at foot level at 44 Alpha.
I copy that.
Trying to get a courtesy call to our passengers in the back. You got any status on when Gulf 12 will be open up for us?
And 1931, that's company 718 at the gate. It is a move team pickup, and they are attached. Jetbridge is coming off now. I expect about 10 minutes until Gulf 12 is open for you.
Okay, we'll let everybody in the back know. Thanks so much.
4786.
Call Rob.
Ops 4786. So we're going to be doing Sacramento on aircraft 506 Charlie Alpha. It's supposed to be at Fox 10, but no airplanes there. Do you know what's going on?
It will be delivered to the gate. It is over at the remote parking.
Okay, are they on the process of doing that?
Let me follow up with our move team. Last call for operation.
7-8, all checks are completed. Standing by for break release. Standing by.
Ops 1246 on the ground.
Good evening, 1246. It's Delta 6D6 to terminate.
All right, Delta 6 terminate. Thanks, 1246.
2019, we're looking for parking assistance for a Jetbridge driver, please, at gate Delta 5. Oh, they just showed up. Thank you.
United 2019, Jetbridge driver is there, but Ram told me they need to part you, so they have to get a for Delta 5.
5599.
Operations American.
69, go ahead.
Hey, I'm not sure if it's you guys or maintenance, but flight attendants need an oxygen mask for the demo.
All right, I'll give maintenance a call. Oxygen mask for the demo.
All right, thank you.
Hey, 2969, you copy?
Hey, go ahead.
Yeah, maintenance said write it up, and then they'll be out there.
Okay, thanks.
2019. Ops 2019, Delta 5. Ground crew's trying to get a hold of this. Headset's not working. 19, we need to get the headset back up here to do this tow thing. We cannot do it with that inop headset. Copy.
978 Bravo 20. Sam says it's going to be a couple more minutes. Sorry about that. They need to train more people to pull it that way. Well, it's like us pushing airplanes.
Completed. Standing by for break release. Release aircraft all yours.
77.
77.
Hey, just notified, are we a tail tip? We didn't get any notification in the air. Should be on 1577.
2599. I copy that.
So they sometimes just turn it off and turn it back on, and that should do. Michael.
Maintenance, good evening, ship 7595 at Echo 5.
7595, go ahead.
Okay, ship 7595 at Echo 5. We just parked. We got here right up the bulb kit needs replenished, please.
7595, we got it, thanks.
Yeah.
Maintenance, aircraft 263 at Echo 4.
263, go ahead.
Just want to double check. Just sending a write-up for the first aid kit was used. Just want to make sure you guys got it.
Maintenance, aircraft 469. 469 at Bravo 15. We have an operative SELCAL Light. Thank you. Line maintenance, ship 519er. Yes, sir. We had the light cover at 30, row 30, A, B, and C fell off, and I've got it here in the cockpit.
Big 978 is SuperTug 2, so it's complete. Set brake.
Parking brake set.
Brake set, lowering aircraft.
Yes, 5644, looks like a copy. Let me call him back out. Operation B9 2019. Yes, operations B9 next to ground air. Thank you.